Okay, so Cambridge IELTS book number 15, test number 3, reading passage 3. Let's take a start with that. Now, this is the toughest one, right? What's the title? Why fairy tales are really scary tales. Fairy tale is like story of a woodcutter or story of Little Red Riding Hood, Thirsty Crow, Greedy Dog. These are called the fairy tales, and usually they are the scary tales. If you might have read the story of Little Red Riding Hood, so that wolf ate grandmother and all that. So these tales are story. बच्चों को डराने के लिए ना, yeah. So all right. Now what's the subtitle? Some people think that fairy tales are just stories to amuse children, but their universal and enduring appeal may be due to more serious reasons, and those reasons will be discussed in this passage. This much is enough. Now we go on and we see the questions. Oh. Okay, first we have 27 to 31 sentence completion. This is sentence completion type of questions, and you will do it through matching. So let's take a start. Now what you have to do, questions 27 to 31, they are incomplete sentences. The remaining part of the sentence is in A, B, C, D, E, F. How many questions are they? 5 questions. How many options are there? 6. So that means one option is extra, it's a trap. And by the way, one option will be used once only. A will be used once only with one question only, unless it's a trap one. Okay. Now with this type of questions, what you need to do, first of all, you will read the question, find the clue word, go to the passage, find the location of that information, and let me tell you again, you will match a sentence in the passage with the sentence in the question. It's not going to be summary. It's not that you read 4, 5, 6 lines and then you understand and then you match it. It's very quick thing. Yes, you waste your time when you do extra reading. If you reach the exact location, you can easily find it. Question number 27. And one more thing, the good news, questions and answers are in the same sequence. Right? First you find 27. Remember, for every type of questions, first question will take more time, and then gradually it will take less time. So 27, in fairy tales, details of the plot. All the passages about fairy tales. So that is not the clue word. Clue word is details of the plot. Details of the plot. Everyone please come to page 66, first paragraph. People of every culture, now follow me, tell each other fairy tales, but the same story often takes a variety of forms. Form is actually that plot or something like that in different parts of the world. Now just focus this sentence. People of every culture tell each other fairy tales, but the same story often takes a variety of forms. Means the plot is different in different parts of the world. Now please come back. I will read options A, B, C, D, and you will tell me the option that clicks you. A. And one more thing. When you read the options, read them carefully, because you have to use other options with other questions also, and underline important words. A. May be provided through methods used in biological research. Underline biological research. B. So the sentence is in fairy tales, details of the plot. Keep that sentence in mind. Question number 27. In fairy tales, details of the plot. B. Are the reason for their survival. No. C. Show considerable global variation. Now, how do we know show considerable global variation? They say often takes a variety of forms in different parts of the world. Different parts of the world means global, and variation means variety of forms. So the answer for question number 27 is, and you will cross C. C को काट दें, सिर्फ C को, पूरी लाइन काटने की बजाय, so that you don't read it again. Now, question number 28. Tehrani rejects the idea, underline Tehrani. Tehrani rejects the idea that the useful lessons for life in fairy tales and then something. Now you need to go on and find the idea which has been rejected by Tehrani, and you got to see what that idea is. So please come to paragraph 2. You will find the word Tehrani there. Got it? In fourth line you will find the word Tehrani. But before that we need to read. As I told you, you will start it from the last full stop. So please, second paragraph from third line. It might be, are you there? Second paragraph, third line. It might be what we find interesting about this story is that it's got this survival relevant information in it, says anthropologist Jamie Tehrani, and then they mention further about him. What he says, it might be what we find interesting about this story is that it's got this survival relevant information in it. Now let's go back. Survival relevant information in it. Reasons for their survival. Survival relevant information and reasons for survival. Question number 28, answer is B, and you are going to cross B as well. You see, fewer options, more success, and you will be able to manage your time as well. Otherwise, you will read the same option, later on realize, oh, I've already used it, so it's better to cross those options, okay? Question number 29, various theories, underline that, various theories about the social significance. Significance means importance of fairy tales. Various theories about the social significance of fairy tales. Second paragraph. From the middle, we have this huge gap in our knowledge. Are you there? We have this huge gap in our knowledge about the history and prehistory of storytelling, despite the fact that we know this genre is an incredibly ancient one, he says. Now match something with this sentence. We have this huge gap in our knowledge about the history and prehistory of storytelling. Now these are theories. Despite the fact that we know this genre is an incredibly ancient one. If you don't find any clue, read the next line also. He says, then that hasn't stopped anthropologists, folklorists, and other academics devising theories. Focus this one. Devising theories to explain the importance of fairy tales in human society. Now follow this one. Theories to explain the importance of fairy tales in human society. Okay, why A? Okay, let's leave this for a minute and we go on to the next question. We'll come back to it. Question number 30. Insights into the development of fairy tales. Insights mean what they actually discover about it. Insights. For this, you have to come to second paragraph and last sentence. Now Tehrani has found. Now Tehrani has found means insights. Right? What you discover, what you find out, that is what we call insight. So now Tehrani has found a way to test these ideas, borrowing a technique from evolutionary biologists. Yes, may be provided through methods used in biological research, and for that they've used this word here. Now Tehrani has found a way to test these ideas borrowing a technique from evolutionary biologists, and in the next paragraph they explain further about it. So question number 30, insights into the development of fairy tales. A, may be provided through methods used in biological research. For biological research they use the word technique from evolutionary biologists. Clear? Let's go on. Question number 31. All the fairy tales analyzed by Tehrani. Now listen, for all the, they might use the word, they might use any number, 50 or 100 and all that. So please come to second last paragraph. Tehrani's analysis focused on Little Red Riding Hood. If you go on, can you see any number in this paragraph? What is that? 58 stories. Now let's read this sentence from the last full stop. Checking for variants of these two tales and similar stories from Africa, East Asia and other regions, he ended up with 58 stories recorded from oral traditions. Same story and 58 versions of that from oral traditions, means not written, oral. What is that? Were originally spoken rather than written. So 31, the answer is E, exactly. Now let's come back to question number 29, which we missed. 29, various theories about the social significance of fairy tales. Please go back and just find it out. Despite the fact, yeah, that goes to that factual thing. Do we have any number for that? Yeah, despite the fact means, okay, various theories about the social significance of fairy tales, F, have been developed without factual. Yes, despite the fact. Despite the fact means without factual basis. So for question number 29, F will be the right answer. All right.